At First on 10, a police officer who was suspended after the controversial shooting of an autistic man's caretaker has been cleared of charges. Local 10 News reporter Andrew Perez live in North Miami tonight with the new details.
That's right, Lori. We're talking about one of two officers involved. The supervisor who was on scene that day, he was initially accused of lying about what he saw. The closeout memo obtained by Local 10 News calls it a miscommunication, saying there was no intent to mislead investigators. So you didn't fabricate anything?
I did not.
The state attorney's office ruling that Commander Emil Holland did not lie to investigators when he said he wasn't there when one of his officers shot Charles Kinsey. We first spoke with Holland when he was suspended from the job. Investigators said he gave conflicting statements about what he saw the day that Kinsey was shot, trying to protect his autistic patient who ran away from a home.
He has what appeared to be a gun. He has it to his head.
Someone called police mistaking this toy truck for a gun. Officers say they were actually aiming for the patient. Despite the 911 warnings, Kinsey was shot instead.
The Spanish guy looked like he's a mentally ill person. I don't know if it's a gun, but he had something like the shape like a gun.
It was 4-year SWAT veteran Jonathan Aleda who pulled the trigger. His supervisor, Holland, said he didn't see anything despite his voice over the police radios. The state attorney's office says he technically didn't see anything because he walked away to grab binoculars from his squad car. That's when he heard the gunfire. Kinsey and his patient, they're both still recovering. Back out here live. So just to be clear, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement is still investigating this shooting and is still investigating Jonathan Aleda's actions. We've also learned that Kinsey has just filed a lawsuit against that officer, Jonathan Aleda. We're live in North Miami tonight. I'm Andrew Perez, Local 10 News.
Andrew, thank you. And also